Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about AI voice changer, how to sound like an anime girl with this new AI voice changer. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So today, I'm going to show you how to use a new AI software to transform your voice into your favorite YouTuber, or maybe you want to sound like your favorite anime character of the season. So I'm going to be teaching you that. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to head onto the website that I'm going to be linking onto the description below. So the voice changer we're going to be using today is Wodika's voice changer. Once you're already onto the website that I have onto the description box below, make sure to choose the right version based on your system. So once you're already in here, you'll just need to scroll down in here right up until you found this table that we have in here. So make sure to choose the right version based on your system. So as you can see, we have here the different versions and the different OS as well. So here onto the upper part or onto the first part, these are actually the latest version descending. So you could see in here the different OS that it is compatible with. So if you're using Mac, make sure to follow in here. And if you're also using Windows, make sure to follow these two things in here. So there are different support versions in here that you could find, and also you could see the different size that it offers. So there are two options for you to download it. You could do it through the Google Drive or to Hugging Face. So if you click onto Google Drive, so here's what you'll see actually as of the moment right now. You cannot view or download this file at this time since there are too many users that have viewed it or downloaded this file recently. So you could try to access this file again later, or it may take up to 24 hours to be able to view or download this. So you don't have to worry regarding that since we have another option in here, which is the Hugging Face. So let's click onto that, and as you can see, this page is where you'll get redirected to. So for you to be able to download it, you'll just need to browse through all of the details that you've seen in here and find in the informations regarding the version that you want to download. So as you can see, you cannot see the full version onto this file in here, but onto the bottom part of the screen, you could see a URL in there that has the version name and the version file number. So make sure to download using this arrow down button in here so that you should be able to get redirected onto this page. So this is actually a Hugging Face website. So you'll need to create an account if you don't have one so that you should be able to download these files freely. Also, the other one that we've gone to earlier, or the link in the description box, is a GitHub website. So make sure also to create a GitHub website so that you could access this site freely. Now, right after you have completed the download, you'll just need to locate the file that you have downloaded. Now, right after that, you'll just need to create a new folder onto your computer to keep all the voice changer related files organized. So you'll just need to right click onto that, click onto new, create a new folder, and you can rename it. So let's name it voice changer. Now you'll just need to locate the file that you have downloaded earlier. Then right after, right click onto it and click onto extract all. It should prompt you this, where it asks you to select a destination and extract files folder. So I'll just need to click onto extract and then wait for it to be finished. Now as you can see, we've gone ahead and already extracted the folder or the zip file earlier. Now what you'll need to do next is to head onto the folder that we have created. So you'll need to open that one up, and then right after, I need you to create a new folder in here so that you could add in your models in here. So just do it like that and then rename it to models. Then right after, onto the extracted file that we did earlier, I need you to copy this one out, the folder that you've seen here, or the one that I pop up right after extracting it. So just copy it and paste it onto the folder that you have created. So you'll just need to wait for this one to be completed. Then right after you've finished copying it, you could just disregard this or close the folder of the extracted file, since what we'll need is just this one, the folder or the one that we have recently created. So right after that, I'll just need you to open out the file that we have downloaded earlier. So I'm gonna maximize this one out, and right after, I'll need you to locate a certain file in here. Now all those things that you're seeing in here are actually the files of the program. So I need you to locate the certain file in here, which is the start underscore HTTP. Now what I'll need you to do in here, since this is the only file that we're gonna use, I recommend holding on to Alt so that you could just simply drag it like that and put it onto the folder that you have created earlier. So as you can see, it created a link. So let's head back to that. And there is the file that we have dragged. So this is much easier since we don't need those other files inside the certain folder. This is the most important one that we're gonna use. So this is just like an easy access. And for you to be able to proceed, you'll just need to double click onto this. Now, as you have noticed, it would automatically open the command prompt in here. So this might take some time depending on to your system since the file is actually loading as of the moment right now. So this might take a bit depending on your system. You need to be patient for this one. So as you can see in here, this is actually the process already ongoing as of the moment right now. So this is more like an installation process of the voice changer app. So you'll just need to wait for this so that right after this, you should be able to use the voice changer app already. Then right after, you should be able to see the screen in here. So we have a message in here that says this software is supported by the nation. Thank you for your support. And you'll just need to click on to start for this. So as you can see, this is what the app would look like. So these four actually here onto the upper part preloaded already. So these are from the voice changer already in here. So if you want to use one, you'll just need to simply click onto the model that you want to use. So for example, we'll use this. You'll just need to simply click onto it and you should be able to see this screen here onto the bottom if you scroll down. So right after you have selected your voice model from the list, then you could adjust already the gain settings, the settings in here as needed to make the voice sound more natural. So you have here the gain. So you could adjust this one out. And you have also the tune, the index, the voice, and then you could save settings. So just for an overview, the gain in here is where you could input and output volume levels. So the tune that we have in here will adjust the settings to match the pitch of your chosen voice to your natural voice. Then here onto the bottom part, you should be able to see the noise settings, the chunk, wherein if you set the value for this one like 384 for smoother speech. So let's click onto that. And you also see the extra in here, wherein you can increase the settings for more fluent output. So you have also in here the audio for client and server. And for the input, just choose the microphone that you're using onto your device. And for the output, you'll just need to choose in the output that you're currently using. And this is my default output, so I'll just simply click onto that. And once you're done, let's head back in here to test this one out. So since we have ensured already that the microphone is selected as the input and the speakers or headphones are set at the output, you could just simply click onto the start button to activate the voice changer. And note that there may be a slight delay depending on your computer specification. So right after clicking on to start, you could already speak onto the microphone and you'll hear your voice transform into the chosen of character's voice. So actually the specific voice that we have used in here are actually made for Japanese models. So this one works best if you speak on Japanese and it might have some slight errors or it might not sound that good if you're speaking onto another language. So you could just experiment with the different voices and settings to achieve the desired voice transformation. So always use this technology responsibly and avoid any activities that could potentially infringe on others' rights or privacy. So these steps should help you get started with using this AI voice changer to sound like an anime girl or any other character that you like. So remember to have fun while using it responsibly. And if you think that this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you onto our next video.